Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a quick, easy but super tasty barbecue sauce. Now you can use this barbecue sauce as a pizza base, on some pork ribs, on some crispy chicken wings. There's so many possibilities. So let's have a look at the ingredients and get started. Alright, now don't stress, it's all going to go in the description. But to start with, we've got a 1/4 cup of brown sugar. We're going to use half a can of Coke. This is a 250ml can, so we'll just use about 125ml of that. We're going to use a 1/4 cup of tomato sauce, or for our American friends, ketchup. And then we've got a teaspoon each of smoked paprika, onion powder, cracked pepper, and salt. And then here we've got a shot of Worcestershire sauce, apple cider vinegar, and then we've just got a shot of your favourite whiskey or bourbon. So now we'll get started. Alright, so whether you're doing this inside or outside, you want to get yourself a saucepan and you want to get it to medium heat because we want to be doing this using a gentle simmer. So what we're going to do now is we're going to get our can of Coke, and like we said earlier, we're going to use about half of it, so about 125ml. And then we're going to give that about 5 to 10 minutes to just gently simmer away, and we want that to reduce by about half. So we'll come back soon once we've achieved that. Alright, so that's been simmering away really nice and gently for about 10 minutes. It's reduced down by half, which is what we wanted. So now we're going to add our 1/4 cup of brown sugar and also our teaspoon each of the dry ingredients we mentioned before. Then we're just going to give it a stir around. We're going to let them dissolve for 3 to 5 minutes. We're going to stir it quite often, and then we're going to add the rest of our ingredients. Alright, so our brown sugar has dissolved. You can see there's no lumps or clumps from the sugar in there. So now we'll go ahead and we'll add about a 1/4 cup of our tomato sauce or ketchup. And we'll give it a stir around. And now we'll add a shot of Worcestershire sauce, apple cider vinegar, and a half shot of your whiskey or bourbon. And then we'll just give it another stir. And then we're going to let that go for about 15 to 20 minutes. We're going to stir it often, and we're going to let it reduce down until we get a nice sauce consistency. Alright, so it's been about 15 minutes. As you can see, you've got that real gentle simmer. Starting to get that nice sauce consistency. Starting to thicken up, so I reckon another 10 minutes and we should have that nice thick sauce-like consistency. Alright, so now's also that time where you want to make any final adjustments and have a taste. If your sauce is too much on the sweet side, add some Worcestershire sauce. That'll give it a little savoury boost to help balance it out a bit more. If it's too much on the savoury side, add some tomato sauce. That'll help balance it out to the more sweet levels, and it'll also thicken up your sauce as well if you're adding more tomato sauce. So now we can give it a stir, have a quick taste. I'm happy with that. I've tried working on the ratio so I can make it once properly the first time. But like I said before, if you do want to balance it out one way or the other, then just add either your tomato or your Worcestershire sauce. Alright, so it's been another 10-15 minutes, so about 30 to 35 minutes total since we've added our tomato sauce and our other wet ingredients. It's reduced down really nicely. Got that really nice sauce consistency now. So what I'm going to do now, take it off the heat and we'll come back. Alright, so don't forget all the ingredients are down in the description. While you're there, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn that bell notification on, and we'll let you know when our new weekly videos come out. So now all we need to do, let that sauce cool down. You can put it in a container. I'm no expert on food storage, but I reckon that would last at least 2 weeks in the fridge. If you try it, let us know what you think, what you've used it on, if you've added any ingredients to make it better. It's a really good base barbecue sauce. I love it. Let us know if you do, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.